bit out of control there.
Make some noise! Alright, so we are here. Take a look at this view. We're on the FD circuit here at Raceway Park. And one of our partners at FDF Race Shop, Jose, is about to hit the track. So we are here commentating for the day. Gonna be lots of fun. Drift games, team drifts, a lot of YouTube call-out battles. Thanks to this man, Aaron, for having us over.
Hello.
And we're gonna have a long, fun day here in Raceway Park. Awesome track, we can't wait to kick it off. Josh is gonna go for a little wander around, see all the sights and sounds of this crazy event from behind and in front of the scenes. It's gonna be wild.
So today's going to be up there busy for pretty much most of the day. I think the event's going on from 2 till 10. So he's going to be commentating away. I'll be going up and down, maybe helping him a bit out along the way. No way! Our Miranda's made it all the way to America.
I drove 9 hours to be here.
We flew 9 hours to be here.
9 hours. Sick, man.
Good to see you, dude. That's pretty crazy, just randomly someone's got a Drift Games top on. Anyways, as you can see, a lot of big names are here. That is Ryan Turk, didn't even know he was going to be here. So I'm just kind of getting the vibe of the event, going to be wandering around, getting some passenger spins hopefully. So yeah, we're just going to be having a look around, seeing what's there and trying to bring you guys along for the ride as well. So I just had a good walk around at the show here, and it's pretty crazy comparing it to a show back in Ireland, because this is only really a practice day. It's a fun event, it's like one of our bashes, and the quality of cars is just unreal. Like, the crowd here is ridiculous. Like, that's the crowd for the passenger rides, and they're even charging, so it's pretty crazy. Okay, so with it being that busy today, there's not many people doing passenger laps, but Zaya from FDF, on our last video we showed you through the engine and everything like that. This is a good one to go in, I think, as far as passenger spins go.
Yeah, arguably the best one to go in.
You know what, that's an argument that I want to get into, if I'm going to be honest. So literally one of the top specs, V8, FD.
Yeah, it's a 440 cubic inch V8 making about 700 wheel horsepower. We're not running nitrous, but on nitrous it makes around 850. So for today, we definitely don't need it. We're just having fun, and yeah, not looking for too much grip out today.
I just want to get in this thing, and this is probably the last you're going to hear of me, because this car is possibly the do you say it's the loudest car in FD?
So I never made the claim. I've just been told. Like, amongst all the other cars, sure, it's definitely top 5, I would say. Some of those Pro 1 cars are insane.
This is louder than my car at Idle.
Yeah, you get used to it.
I feel very fortunate, but was very bad for skipping the queue. That is a long queue. Here we go.
What do you think of that?
That's my first time in an FD spec Pro car, and that is unbelievable. It feels like it's pulling a wheelie.
Yeah. Do you want to go for another one?
Can we go chase someone?
Yes.
Did you say we're going with 5?
This could be bad.
Could be bad?
A
not filling me with confidence here. Holy crap, you couldn't see a thing! Nice and water. Wow. Thank you for that.
Yeah, no
That was
problem.
sketchy.
Dave's car has to be that fast, no? It must be.
Yeah, Dave's car is that fast. Honestly, that car is unbelievable. It's everything that's lived up to what you said. But Adam Alzi's doing a signing session, so that's why he was so busy getting back into the pits, but that was unbelievable.
Low-key event, Dave. It'll just be chill, Dave. This is
a practice day.
This is the attendance record broken for this arena.
So FD was here for the first time last year,
And this is more people.
and this is
However,
a bit of a party day.
It was raining at FD, so that didn't help. And I got to talk to them all in America, which is crazy to think, starting my first commentary gig in Dublin 10 years ago now, to being here to like 8, 9, 10,000 people in America. It's pretty wild. Like,
And we play it down quite a bit, but we do fanboy over these people. quite
this
a
is
bit.
like commentating on the people that we watch on YouTube. This is
And you guys play it really cool. Like, I don't know who this is.
It's just casual TJ Hunt, Adam LZ in there. Crazy.
We're playing it cool.
We're playing it cool.
Really cool.
No one even knows we don't know what's going on. And now, I gotta go hype up all these people.
Have you not done an event in how long? Like 2
I
years?
haven't. It's been a live event like this I haven't done to a live crowd in probably 2.5 years.
Wait, and this is going to be the biggest crowd you've ever talked in front of.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Eek! Trips like this would not be possible without our amazing partners, and one of those is Mobil 1 Oil. It's used from everything from Formula 1 cars to our drift cars to our street cars, and they keep our engines running reliably and cool because we beat on them quite a bit. Check out oil.ie in Ireland for their full list of products.
So the show is just about to start. Dave is hyping up the event. So we're going to see what he's saying and see what's going on.
3, 2, 1, make some noise! That's what we came here for. Alright, let's send it this track.
Good fun. It's the confidence of the white Jordans. So the first of the drift games we're going to call them, is the parking challenge. So they have to get as close as they can to the tyres without hitting them. I was kind of thinking tyres are a kind of hard thing to be hitting. They could do damage, but this seems to say it was fine, so they're going to go with the tyres.
Here we go. It's the first contender. It's not on the wall one.
That couldn't have gone any smoother for the first one. Destroyed him. That was very close.
I thought we were bowling.
No, bowling is later, Jim. Bowling is later.
Man. Okay, read it. I told you I thought it was bowling, then you told me it wasn't, and we're good now.
So moving on to best 360. No idea what's going on.
They're done. They're done.
Got a bit out of control there. It's alright, I'm still alive.
We made it. That's what matters. We made it. That's what matters. Luke, when you see this, what is next?
I'm not sure I want to know what's next.
Should we go hide?
So now we're doing call-out battles, so this is where different YouTubers and drivers are going to call each other out for a battle. I don't think it's anything too competitive, just a bit of fun.
When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Yeah, here we come. Hey, here we come. Here we come. Here we come.
How much of that did you know was going on?
Nothing from the start to the finish. I just saw it and went, ugh. I mean, I did go maroon blue car at one point. I was like,
I know he did about 3 battles and he was still maroon.
I would say half a season in Ireland. That's how many battles I would call. That was like 64 battles, I would say there easily.
In the space of 15 minutes.
It was good though. It's good fun. It was like watching highlights, but you were commentating to the highlights rather than actually it happening. It was good though. I think we're stuck in here now for another hour.
I was going to say, we're definitely stuck in here now till someone goes off, I guess. That is the drift games done, and now
my voice is gone. My voice is gone. So we're here with Aaron. So what we've done is try and find nicer Corvettes than mine. I think we found one. Well, I'll put it this way: he's got underglow, he's got multimedia, he's got a sub in the back, and it's a drift car and a street car. Yeah, like this.
100%.
So this is what you're taking on Drift Week, and just have a look at the size of the screen.
It's got the tunes going.
Yeah.
Sorry, can we lift this?
So I got a little bit of room back here.
So you have nitrous and a sub in your drift car, on your street car.
Yeah, 100%.
I think I get a sub in mine. I don't
Wait,
think
this is the best bit. So they only put the kit on the other day. So the fuel's usually there.
Yeah.
But they can kind of jump in.
We ran out of time. We have it, but we ran out of time, so that's what we got for right now.
It's pretty clever. This thing looks beautiful.
I appreciate it. Yeah,
I think
the body kit's sick. I love.
Yeah.
We want to shorten up the gap. We're gonna play with tire sidewalls and stuff because right now that's the only thing. We had it probably an 1.5 inch lower even.
What kit is this?
The Modella. Modella? Yeah.
Oh no, the ideas have started now.
Look at the front wings.
Yeah.
Are you gonna go
Front wings are wide. Yeah, he offered me a spin in this,
You
so
guys can take it out, drive it. But yeah, normally we got some.
I said I don't want to drive anything I can't afford, so I'm not sure if you want to, Dave.
Yeah.
You got it. Save
That's
that.
it. Well, maybe tomorrow.
All right.
Maybe tomorrow.
All good.
In the daytime. We don't know how to do it.
Yeah, no, okay.
Legally.
That's not gunshots there. That is that's two-step there. The two-step limiter is ridiculous here. This is tight.
But I feel like it would still be worth it.
Believe it or not, even though Dave's got a Corvette, this is my first time in a Corvette.
No, it isn't. Really?
This is my first time in one. I've just realised.
Oh,
I've never been a passenger in Dave's.
really?
So I'm losing my Corvette virginity with you.
I'm taking your virginity.
Just a Corvette virginity. I think I tensed for that whole run there. Thank you for finally.
Dude, hell yeah, finally making it happen.
It was well worth it, and you got an awesome car there. Thank you so much. That's an adrenaline come down now.
Yeah,
Right, it is the end.
What
of
a
the
day. What a day. Look at this. Night drifting in the stadium.
Look at that, a Miata and the Corvette there.
Couldn't be more fitting. It's, you know, it's crazy. Like, we started making videos really seriously in the shed during COVID, just 4 of us. And like, to think 2 years later we're here announcing in front of like 10,000 people with all the biggest names in the game. It's a bit overwhelming, but it's all you guys watching the videos, supporting us back home that have got us here. So the sky's the limit, but it's all you guys pushing us this far that's got us here. So thank you so much to everybody. Tomorrow we're going drifting and we're going to be filming a few guys. It's too loud to film right now. So thanks for watching another episode. Make sure you subscribe, buy the merch.